Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color this pretty onion. Let's start with the outer shape and draw the left side of the onion first. Then we draw a few irregular spikes at the top. This is the end of the onion skin. We then draw the outer shape on the right side of the onion. Now join the two outer onion shapes together. Close the onion so that the complete outer onion shape is finished. Next we draw a friendly face for the onion. We start with the eye shape and draw two large ovals. Draw two more circles in each of the two ovals. One large circle and one small circle. This gives our onion two beautiful eyes. Now draw an eyebrow above each eye. And we draw a smiling mouth in the middle under the eyes. Draw a round cheek a little to the left of the mouth. Then draw another cheek to the right of the mouth. Now we draw a few small freckles under the onion's eyes. Finally, we draw lots of onion skins on the onion. We always draw from the bottom of the onion up to the top, or vice versa. I don't draw the onion skins parallel. In my drawing, the distances are irregular. However, the distance at the bottom of the onion is always wider than further up at the top of the onion. Just make sure that you don't paint the onion skins over the eyes. The eyes should be completely unpainted. The same applies to the round cheeks. These also remain unpainted. Our onion is finished and can now be colored. The part of the video where I color is much faster. Unfortunately, the light on this video is too bright, so the colors are only visible in the shadows. In any case, I first painted the onion with a light purple color. I then painted the bottom of the onion and the top of the onion head with a darker purple. I painted the round cheeks orange. And I painted the eyes in blue. I used the color red for the freckles. I then added a thicker layer of black paint to the eyes. I also added a few eyelashes to the eyes. And then I made the mouth and eyebrows thicker with black too. Finally, I painted over the top and bottom of the onion with a light blue paint. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.